So Storyline Online is good for your early readers and emergent readers that need to hear the story read. It has the words printed on the bottom of the screen. It has famous actors and actresses who are the ones that read the books. As you can see, there's a wide variety of books to choose from. And so here I click on a couple and you can see the people that are reading them. Like I said, it's really good for emergent readers and early readers that need to hear fluent reading read aloud. When you click on a book, you have access to activities that you can do with the story. So activities for parents or activities for teachers that you can do. So there's lots of different things. So let me click on activities for parents. For teachers. And so you have a synopsis, the theme, and then talking points that you can use with your students after you get done. So it's really great. A great resource for teachers and a great resource for students as well.